In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LinkedIn account. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or simply move on from LinkedIn, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. We'll make the process straightforward and clear, ensuring you'll know exactly what to do and what to expect. First, we'll start by heading over to linkedin.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a small icon labeled Me. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will present you with a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you manage your LinkedIn preferences and account details. Now that you're in the Settings area, look for the Account Preferences tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a section that allows you to manage various elements related to your account. It's important that you carefully scroll all the way to the bottom of this page to find the option labeled Close Account. This is the path to closing your LinkedIn account permanently. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand the implications of this step. Closing your LinkedIn account is irreversible and means you will lose all of your connections, messages, endorsements, and any recommendations you've accumulated. Make sure this is the right decision for you before moving to the next step. When you're ready, click Continue, and LinkedIn will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. This is just a standard procedure for LinkedIn to understand why users might be leaving the platform. After you've selected your reason, you can click Next. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that the person trying to delete the account is indeed the account holder. Enter your password thoughtfully and accurately. Once that's done, make sure to check the confirmation box that appears, which essentially verifies that you're aware of the consequences and want to proceed with closing your account for good. Finally, click Done, and just like that, your LinkedIn account will be deleted. It's as simple as that, but it's also a significant action, so take a moment to consider if this is what you truly want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Your support means a lot and ensures that we can continue to offer helpful tutorials and tips like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.